Hello Year 8 students, this video is going to scaffold task 3. But before you do that, you should be at the point in task 2 where your design, the good copy of your design is finished, whether you went with option 1 or option 2. So what I'd like you to do is pull up your task sheet either via OneNote or Canvas and go to the task overview. Now we're up to task 3, so we're looking at design considerations. I'd like you to scroll down to task 3. Now task 3 consists of one paragraph, again using the peel structure, but this paragraph is relating to how you came up with your scale. Now this will relate particularly to students who have used option 2 because you've come up with the scale yourself. If you have done option 1, you will just discuss how you used the suggested scale of 1:3 as provided by your teacher. So you have a paragraph that you're going to complete, and again within that peel structure it does tell you exactly what information is going to go into each sentence. So I'd like you to scroll down to the criteria sheet for me and let's have a look at task 3. Now task 3 looks at accurate and efficient recall of facts, definitions and procedures. Now this is all relating to the concept of scale. Okay, and it sits within that task 3. So the last thing I'd like you to do before we finish up is go to your Math Work Unit 2, have a look at assessment, and I want you to pull up the Word document that says task 3. So I need you to do a couple of things before next lesson. I want you to watch the video on scale, and that is going to appear on our OneNote as a YouTube link. This is going to show you how to mathematically come up with your own scale if you're going to use option 2, and it's also going to show you how to work with a scale that has already been provided for you. Once you've watched that video, I want you to come up with some mathematical working using the video of how you worked out your scale. So you're going to provide some notes on what scale you came up with and why. I'd also like you to do one more thing. I want you to list some key vocabulary that is going to relate to task 3, particularly scale. So some key words you could use within your writing. So I'd like you to do those 3 things before next lesson, and you can do that either through OneNote, through a Word doc in your maths book, but I want you to be prepared to talk about task 3. Now if you have any questions, please feel free to send me an email. Otherwise, I'll see you in class. Thank you.